Welcome to WhoisFreaks, one of the largest data sources for domain Whois and DNS information. Let's take a quick tour of our powerful tools: Whois Lookup, Reverse Whois Lookup, DNS Lookup, and Reverse DNS Lookup. First, we open the Whois Lookup tool, enter Amazon.com, and see the public Whois records, including registration dates, expiry date, registrar, registrant, admin, and technical contacts details, domain status, and nameservers. Next, we explore the Reverse Whois Lookup tool, a powerful feature for domain analysis. You can search using keywords, registrant emails, owner names, or company names. For example, we input a registrant email and a keyword, retrieving all matching domains with ease. You can download all these results in a convenient CSV file with just one click. Similarly, we can perform a reverse Whois lookup using a keyword to retrieve the corresponding Whois records. Moving on, we check out the DNS lookup tool. By entering a domain name, we uncover its DNS records including quad A, MX, NS, SPF, SOA, TXT, and CNAME. All the DNS data you need is just a query away. Finally, we demonstrate the Reverse DNS Lookup tool. Using the seeder from an A record, we retrieve all domains associated with that record. Similarly, we use NS for reverse lookups, uncovering domains linked to specific name servers, and MX records to retrieve the domains linked with mail servers. This data can also be downloaded in a CSV file. With WhoisFreaks, you get unmatched access to domain Whois and DNS data for cybersecurity, domain management, and more. Explore these tools and unlock the power of data with WhoisFreaks today. For any inquiries or assistance, feel free to reach out to our support. Thank you.